friends. This is Miss Josephson. I'm going to show you quickly how to use GarageBand to add music to your movie. So this is my messy desktop, and I'm going to open GarageBand. If you don't know where it is on a Mac, what you do is you click this little search thing, and you type GarageBand. Then you can click there. It'll open up the application. You won't see this, and you won't see this either. What you want to do is start a new project. You might have to go to File, New. On mine, it already started. Then you're going to click Empty Project, click Choose, and it's going to ask you what track type. Click this microphone and Create. The next thing you need to do is drag your movie into the project. I know that my movie is on the desktop. If you don't know where yours is, it might be in your downloads file. If you didn't download it yet, go to Google Classroom and download the movie. I happen to know that mine is on the desktop. My desktop is very full, but this is it right here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it here. Okay, now I'm going to close this window quick. Now my movie is in my GarageBand. If I push the space bar, the silent movie plays. Nothing, no sound yet. I can close this. I can also, if I ever want to see it again, click here. Maybe I want to make it a little bit smaller so I can still see my GarageBand project. If you click this triangle or push the spacebar button, the movie will play. Now you hear that clicking? You probably don't want that clicking, so click that, it'll turn off. Okay, I'm going to stop the movie from playing. I also want to change it so that instead of seeing how many measures and beats, I can see the timeline. Click this arrow, click time. Now we measure in time. Now let's say I know, because from my planning, I want to add a scream at 10 seconds. I'm going to put the time marker at 10 seconds, and I'm going to hit the record button, and then it gave me 4 clicks to get ready, then I screamed and it recorded it. So now here's what my movie looks like. If I back it up to here and play, silent, and my scream is right there. Now, let's be honest. That's not the best place for a scream, but I'm just showing you how to do this. Now, to add music, you're going to work in something called loops. The program has a lot of music already in it. If you click here, you'll see a lot of choices. Then you can click on anything you want and hear a sample. Let's say that's the music I want in the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it in here. And now, here's my movie. There's the music. You want to see how it fits with the movie. Hit play. If I want it to go on for longer, I can click here and it'll loop. Maybe I want it to go until here, same music. I'll start my movie over. Okay, now this is not a great example of music that fits the movie, but it does show you how to add music and sound effects into your movie. Again, there's a lot of choices. You can sort by instrument. You can sort by genre. You find the music you like. Maybe you like this one. Okay, I can drag that one and put it here. Or I can put it at the same time here. And then it would sound like this at this part. By the way, that's horrible, but it is a choice. Okay, good luck on your movie.